Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a no code tool that's going to help you build full stack application, that's complete applications from scratch, use it just by describing an idea and without having to do anything technical. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and search MeDo. So this is the tool we are going to be using. I just discovered this tool and I found it very amazing. That's why I decided to share it with you guys. So the way this works is check the first links in the description. You are going to be seeing an invite link. Use that link so that you get 300 credits free bonus, right? So as soon as you sign up, you get your free bonus credits, and then this is where you describe your idea. So right now I don't have an idea and I'm wondering what should I build. So let's go to my old friend here, ChatGPT. Hey, I am making a YouTube video on how to build a full stack application using a no code tool. Let me put the tool in bracket. I want app ideas as very sorry engaging for my audience. Something fun and simple. It's going to be giving us an idea. You don't want just a code to scale engagement fast. Yeah, exactly. Rate my outfit app. You users upload a photo of their outfit, others rate it. Okay. Excuse generator. User clicks button, gets a random excuse. Who owes you? Also, these are some really fun ideas, and I kind of like all of them. Daily DA app. Users get a random daily challenge from social media. Okay, guess the price game. Show random products. User gets the price. Reveal answer. Anonymous confessions app. Users post anonymous confessions or react comment. Why it works. Engagement. Startup idea generator. 1 minute challenger. So ChatGPT has given me a lot of options, which is influencing my decision right now. I don't know which one to pick, guys. Let's see. The more I go through them, the more, yes, just pick the best idea for my channel. Anonymous confession. So the anonymous confession it is. Okay, it sounds perfect. I need you to describe it in plain English. So I'm going to be copying this prompt right here. The app idea is super simple. Okay, so I'm going to be pasting the description of the app inside this tool. I'm going to allow it to build for me. So as you can see right here, guys, we have our 300 free credits, which we are going to be using to build this application. For me, actually, there are a lot of other functionalities and features that this tool has, which I actually like, which is the plugin option. This allows you to integrate third-party services into your application. Let's say you want a powerful LLM to do a very specific task. You want an AI agent to handle a specific task. Then you just go to plugin and you can connect a third-party services. Right now we don't have that. Let's just go back to our app. So for this video, we are just going to be creating the app. Okay, as you can see here, guys, it has created an MD. If you go here, you can see the documentation. This describes how the app is going to function, like all the functionalities of the apps and all its features. And this is where the code lives. This is where AI is going to be doing all the coding for us. So don't worry, guys. Like I promised, this is a no code tool, meaning you don't have to learn or write any code. It's for everybody, even non-technical individuals. So let's just wait for it to build our app. In the meanwhile, sip some coffee, take a drink, snacks, anything, just have fun. So guys, our app is ready and fully functional. So these are some anonymous messages by other users, and you can add yours here. So what should I add? What should I add? Is there anything about me that I want to confess? But I can't do that right here because you guys are going to know my secret. So let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. Our app is complete. Give me some random anonymous anonymous messages. So these are some really funny confessions. Okay, so you can come here and make any reactions. So guys, we can also publish this, and it's going to take just a single click. Let's publish it. Ooh, that's awesome. So our app is live. So guys, our app is live. If you want to try it out, I will also be leaving the link here in the description as well. So in case you want a custom domain, you can pay for the premium feature and add a custom domain. It's $20 per month. But right now for our own use case, the free version is okay. And as you can see, we even have 240 credits left, meaning we can use this to improve the app. So let's go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I have extra credits. Can we make some improvements to the app? So I'll be copying these four futures and then pasted it here. So it's going to study it and then improve the application without us having to do any work at all. So our app is almost done. In fact, it's already done. It's just taking its time trying to load up. Yay! And we have confession of the day. We have feed and trending. So it has implemented all those changes. Let me just update. Go to update and publish. This is going to update the new changes. So guys, make sure to use the link below in the description so that you can get your free credits, and also let me know how your experience with this app or tool goes. Okay, our changes is live. We have confession of the day, feed, and trending. So I will also be leaving the link to this application right here in the description so that you guys can actually check it out, test it, and share it with your friends.